I'm going to walk you through how to check your battery health on iPad. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to help the channel grow. So you're going to go ahead and head forward into your settings. So once you're into your settings, you're going to scroll right down here and you check battery. So right here, you can see here we have all these options, but there's no actually an option which says you can go ahead and see your battery health, but you can actually enable and disable battery percentage. Do the same for low power mode. So what I'm going to recommend for you to do is click right here where you see privacy and security. So once you click on privacy and security, you're going to click here where it says analytic and improvement. So you click on analytic and improvement. You're going to click on analytic data, but before you do that, you need to make sure all this information right here are actually enabled. So once they're enabled, you click on analytic. You're going to scroll down and look for low battery lock. So you're going to keep on scrolling right down here. You can see I have this low battery lock starting from 2024 right up to 2025. So if I click on this low battery lock for 2024, the most recent date in 2024, you're going to see my voltage right here is 3.6, which is actually bad. But if I also go to the most recent date, which here is it in 2025, I'm going to click right here and you can see my voltage again has dropped to 3.6, which is actually really bad. This is not actually accurate for you to use to calculate your battery percentage, but this is just the idea.